Hello dear students, English Grammar, episode number 9. We learn past perfect in this episode. The previous episode was about past continuous tense. This is past perfect. What is past perfect? When do we use past perfect? When there are two incidents in the past, the first incident is past perfect. ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ನಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೆಯದ್ದು past perfect ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. If you compare this with the simple past, you may understand it better. With the two incidents, the meeting started at 10 a.m. This is one incident in the past. Another incident in the past is we arrived at 11 a.m. The meeting started at 10 a.m. We arrived at 11 a.m. Two incidents took place. The first one is past perfect. So how to put it in a past perfect? When we arrived, the meeting had started. The meeting had started is a past perfect. So when two incidents took place in the past, the first incident is past perfect. I will detail it, but before that, let us see more examples. You reached the railway station. The train left the platform. Or the first incident is that the train left the platform, you reached the station. I reached the railway station is the second incident. The first one, the train left the platform. The train left the platform, I reached the railway station. Two incidents in the past. Let us put it in a past perfect. The train had left the platform when I reached the railway station. Let us see another example to make it clear to you. My son learnt the English alphabet. Not alphabets, alphabet. He joined the school. Two incidents. The first one is that the child learnt the alphabet. The second incident, he joined the school. That means he had learnt before joining the school. So let us put it in past perfect. My son had learnt the English alphabet before he joined the school. So this is the difference between simple past and past perfect. This might make it clear to you. What is the form? What is the structure? We will have subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. For everything we use had. There is no confusion. Unlike in the present perfect, with he, she, it has, with I, we, you, they have. But here in the past perfect, for everything we use had. This will be a very simple way of remembering. With I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we use had. I had reached. Past perfect. I plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Had reached. They had left. He had gone to Bangalore. She had loved. Had plus past participle form of the verb. Subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb, that will make it past perfect tense. Let us see more examples. Before the president arrived, the second activity or incident in the past, but the first one or first ones, we had cleaned the campus. Before the president arrived, we had cleaned the campus. We had ordered the, arranged the hall. There is a mistake here. We had organized the stage. You can avoid we had. You can put it in this way. Before the president arrived, we had cleaned the campus, ordered or arranged the hall, and organized the stage. Before the president arrived, we had cleaned the campus, arranged the hall, and organized the stage. You can avoid. I just put it we had to make it clear to you the structure of a past perfect tense. The sentence structure in a past perfect tense. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. Again, two incidents took place in the past. We had played cricket before we played volleyball. You can put it in this way. We had played cricket before playing volleyball. You can make it that way as well. So, when two incidents take place, the first one is past perfect. Let us make interrogative sentences in this, as we have been doing with other tenses. We had made sweets. We had made sweets. Subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. We had made, that much. Interrogative sentence, positive. Had we made sweets? Had we made sweets? We had not made sweets. Negative sentence. Had we not made sweets? To practice, the method we adopted is to ask questions and answer questions in the same tense. Had we made sweets? Yes, we had made sweets. No, we had not made sweets. I don't know whether we had made sweets. The three possible ways of answering. You can frame WH questions to practice and answer WH questions in the same tense so that you can practice and learn faster. We had made sweets. Had made sweets. What had we made? He had come. Why had he come? How had they sung? They had sung. How had they sung? So you can ask many questions. You can answer them. What had we made? We had made sweets. So, make one sentence, make 6 sentences out of that. We had made sweets. He had reached. Had he reached? He had not reached. Had he not reached? How had he reached? When had he reached? Make questions. For all that you need to do, make one sentence in a past perfect. Make one positive sentence and make interrogative, negative, and WH questions, yes or no questions. Had he reached? Hadn't he reached? So you can make many number of sentences and practice in that particular way. So in our next episode, let us take up future tense, simple future. Until then, keep practicing.